Hey guys, Zamian Parsons here. I'm a realtor in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia. We're downtown on Yates Street. This is the Atrium building and home of the best Italian restaurant in the city, Zambri's. Let's head on inside and meet the head chef. I'm here with city-renowned chef Peter Zambri. He's going to help us learn how to cook a pizza. I know I'll be really interested in that. Learn from a master.
So we're going to make a vegetarian pizza for you today. I guess let's get going. Yeah. If you have a thin spot, it burns. We'll go a little bit of tomato sauce. Not too much. You don't want it too soggy, right? Fresh basil. Grated Parmigiano. Some mozzarella. Maybe a few chili peppers. Let's do a few olives.
Okay.
A few slices of onions. I like green pepper on a vegetarian pizza. It just adds another kind of little element.
Does this one have a name on your menu, or is this?
No, we're just doing. This is the Zamian Parsons real estate pizza. Let's put a tiny little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Zamian knows how to play hockey, so why don't you...
I'm going to get switch nets like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put this
so
bad boy in.
So move it a little bit to make sure it's not sticking.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. So place it wherever you want to go, and then pull that thing out quick. There you go. That going perfectly. I don't know, 3 minutes in the oven.
Okay.
3 minutes in the oven. That oven's at about 700 degrees.
Oh wow. Okay.
700, 750 degrees.
Okay.
The best thing is to crank your oven up to 500 because that's as hot as a home oven goes.
Okay.
And use a pizza stone. But even a big piece of granite. And we give it a 180 and back right on the same spot again.
Okay. Right, I forgot about that.
You stole my princess house.
Did I do a great job? Or?
Immaculate, man.
What
Listen, honesty is his policy because he's not gonna steer you wrong with a bunch of talk and glamour. You're gonna get the truth, and that's basically what you need when you're selling your house. You don't need to be given the runaround, and that's what we got from you. To know that you've been doing this for as long as you have, it says something about your integrity.
Thank you, Peter.
So yeah, keep going on that path, man.
Thank you, Peter. I appreciate that.
You give me a big kiss now, Richard. Oh, come on. Okay, let's get this pizza. Okay.
Yummy. Looks delicious, Peter.
Thank you very much. Yeah, that's the pizza from Zambri's.
Okay.
Right there. And yeah, we make quite a number of those a day.
Yeah, I bet. Well, Peter, we really appreciate all your time today.
Well, thank you.
Taking the time
Absolutely.
to educate the masses about how you professionally make a pizza pie. And we wish you continued success in your business.
Thank you.
We love coming here to eat.
Yeah? Yeah. All right. Thanks for that.
All right, buddy.
Okay.
See you soon.